Allen Building at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. This was originally something, but it sadly got modernized with Innovation Universal. Fairly recently, too. Aww. That's a shame. Oh, they're small. 3? Yeah, that's a fairly recent mod, too. Here we go up. It was very small. Whoa. Traction. Here, 3. We're back down to 1. This elevator's actually in the stairwell. There's your ADA phone. The rest of the building is through doors in the stairwell. Your nice cab. Certificate. Still 1953. Don't know what this was originally. It got heavily modernized fairly recently with Innovation Universal. I wonder if there's any original ones nearby. I'm gonna have to check that out. Well, this may have found a soft one for this one. I honestly do not know that. What's it have to be there?